Today, we are going to make some cannabis-infused raw vegan chocolate walnut fudge. What's up guys, Sarah here, and on this channel we talk about how to grow your own organic food and medicine and fight disease naturally. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Okay, so today we're gonna make probably my favorite recipe yet. It's chocolate walnut fudge that's raw vegan and cannabis infused. It's quick and easy, and unlike most fudge, it's actually good for you. So the items that you're gonna need for this little project include, of course, your food processor, some sea salt, we've got raw walnuts, you've got your cannabis infused coconut oil. I've warmed it up in the oven just a little bit so that it's nice and melty and easier to measure out. And we've got cacao powder, not cocoa, it's cacao, so it's the unprocessed version of cocoa powder. It's much healthier for you. And we've also got some pure natural maple syrup and almond butter, raw of course, if you're wanting to stick along the raw theme. And if you don't have almond butter, any other nut butter of your choice will work. And then we've also got vanilla extract. So the walnuts do need to be chopped just roughly. I like doing them in the food processor because it saves me doing all of this chopping. So 3/4 of a cup of raw walnuts. You're gonna throw them in the food processor and just pulse it until they're chopped roughly. So once you have them roughly chopped, just put them into a separate dish for now. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the coconut oil and the almond butter in the food processor, and we're gonna blend those up. So 1/2 cup of your cannabis infused coconut oil and 1/4 cup of your raw almond butter. Then we blend those up until they're mixed well. Add in 1/2 cup of the cacao powder. Next, we add in 1/2 cup of the pure maple syrup, a tablespoon of your vanilla extract, a sprinkle of sea salt, and then blend again until it's all mixed. Remove the blade, and then stir in your chopped walnuts. And next, what you're gonna do is line a container with some parchment paper. I would, like if you were gonna double or triple the recipe, you could probably put it into a square dish. I am just using a smaller round dish because there's not a whole lot. I would recommend doubling it because it is not gonna go to waste. It's delicious. So once your dish is lined with parchment paper, you're gonna pour the mixture into the dish. Okay, so once it's poured into the dish on top of the parchment paper, you're going to put it in the fridge, and within 1/2 an hour to an hour, it will be ready and you can slice it up and of course enjoy. All right, so there we go. We've got our raw vegan chocolate walnut fudge that contains all the medicinal benefits of the cannabis infused coconut oil. The cacao is actually really healthy for you. It contains magnesium and iron. The walnuts have your omegas. Even the maple syrup has some nutritional benefits to it. Thanks so much for joining me, guys. Hopefully that was helpful. And if you have any suggestions about recipes that you would like to have infused with cannabis oil and you'd like me to cover, please leave those in the comments below. And I'll see you guys all next time.